Hi, my name's Robert Love, and we're going to talk about website feeds and a method for publicising your website. So first of all, what is a feed? A feed is basically a way for website owners to distribute their blog posts to a large audience. Instead of relying on your visitors finding you, they can find out if you've made an update. If they register for your feed, they'll automatically be notified in their feed reader. The feed reader will enable them to read all their favourite news in one place. I'm going to show you a piece of software I use. It's called Feed Submitter, and I use that to notify sites about my blog. So let's go through that now. So to begin with, let's go over to Google, and if we type in Feed Submitter and search on that, you'll notice there's the second link here, which is Submit Suite, and that's the link we want to click. And you can get a 30-day trial version. So click on the download button here, and if we click on, notice Feed Submitter free here, click on download, save that to your PC, so save that to our desktop. Once that's done, you can run through the installation process and install that program. So for the purposes of this video, we're going to skip ahead a little bit and assume that the Feed Submitter software is already installed. So let's start Feed Submitter, and I'll show you how easy it is to use. So it's just starting up now, and it's a very simple interface. I'll show you how to start distributing your feed around the web. Click on New Feed, enter the title for the feed. So we're going to base it on our website. So that's going to be blog and learn to earn. Click OK. And then we should fill in these other boxes that you see here. So put in the author name, your email address, at blog and learn to earn.com. Put in your keyword, and the keyword is just something that users might type into to the search engine to find your website. We'll talk about that in depth in a later blog. So I'm going to type in one I've chosen already, and put in your website URL, which is with the http:// blogandlearntoearn.com, and the feed URL. Now by default with WordPress, your feed URL will be like so, and at that point then we can put a description in of the website. So helping visitors learn how to build their own WordPress blogs and ultimately make a little money from it. Okay, obviously there can be better description than that. That's just an example. Click on the plus here, it's very important because otherwise it won't be populated when we go to the next stage. So click on the plus and it adds it down the bottom here. And at that point, I'm going to stop this video, and in the next video I'll show you some examples of how to submit your feed details to various different websites. It's all fairly automatic. We'll carry on with the next step in the next video. I'm Robert Love, and if you want to learn more or see more articles and videos like this, you can visit me at www.blogandlearntoearn.com.